Now children, we are going to come to the second segment of our chapter, which is the calendar. I suppose we have done a lot of questions on time, right? And you would have enjoyed it too, right? So now our second segment is calendar, and we are going to cover few aspects on calendar as well, so that it will be easy for us to solve the sums based on this topic as well. So are you ready children? Okay. Here it is. Okay. So now, what do you mean by calendar? Calendar is the systematic summation of the numbers. Okay. Yes. So based on calendar, we are able to calculate the days, months, weeks, months, and year. Right. So how many days in a week? So there are 7 days in a week, right? And 4 to 5 weeks makes 1 month. 12 months make 1 year. 365 1 by 4 days make 1 year, right? And 4 years make 1 leap year, which is 366 days. So are you clear children? These are the basic things which we cover in a calendar, right? We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours, right? We studied that in time, right? So now 7 days makes 1 week, starting from Sunday to Saturday. What are the days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you have 7 days in a week, and 7 days make 1 week, right? 4 to 5 weeks makes 1 month. So if you see in a calendar, you have 4 to 5 months coming in, 4 to 5 weeks coming in, right? Say for example, if I draw a calendar like this, okay? So for your sake, I am drawing a calendar and I am dividing it into 7 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right. Now, starting from here, if I write here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I have 7 days in a week. So this makes 1 week, right? Starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, I'll be having 29, 30, and 31. Okay, so which month it is? It is the month of July, right? Say for example, I write it in the month of July. Okay. So now, so how many Sundays do I have in July? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. So I will write here as weeks. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 and week 5. Okay. So I have divided it in weeks and days. Okay. So how many Sundays do I have here? How many Sundays do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 Sundays. Yes. And how many Mondays do I have here? Just count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 Mondays as well. How many Tuesdays do I have? Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 Tuesdays. Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4. But because after 31, the month gets over, right? So I have 4 Wednesdays. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same is in the case of Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So I have 4 Thursdays, 4 Fridays and 4 Saturdays. Okay. So that is the reason I have written the number of weeks as 4 or 5, because it will not remain 4 throughout. Some of the days will have 5 weeks and some of the days will have 4 weeks. Is it clear, children? Now, the next thing which we cover in a calendar is, the months. Some months have 30 days and some months have 31 days. Right? And some months have 28 or 29 days. So can you tell me which is the month which has 28 or 29 days? Good. It is the month of February. So February is the month which has 28 or 29 days. So how many months have 30 days? Can we calculate? January? No, it has 31 days. So we will write it in the column of January. February, it has 28 or 29 days. March? Yes, it has 31 days. April. April comes for 30 days. May? Yes, it comes again in 31 days. How about June? June has 30 days. July. See here, July, how many days? 31. Very good. So July has 31 days. How about August? Yes, August also has 31 days. September? It is the shortest month, right? So September, it again comes in 30 days. October? October has 31 days. So October. November? Good. November has 30 days. And December? December has 31 days. So how many days can you see here? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 months which has got 31 days. So 31 days, you have 7 months. How many months have got 30 days? Can we calculate and see? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 months have got 30 days. And which is the only month which is having 28 or 29 days? Very good. It is February. So only 1 month you have is 28 or 29 days. And that is called as your shortest month in a year. So all put together, we have 12 months in a year. Now, since we have 365 1 by 4 days, So when you add this 1 by 4 into 4 times, it becomes one full day, right? So that is why 4 years make one leap year. And on the leap year, you have February as 29 days. So the year which has a leap year, you will be having 29 days in February, and that particular year will have 366 days. So leap year comes once in every 4 years. So is it clear, children? Are you clear with the calendar? Shall we do some sums based on the calendar?